Ladies and gentlemen, the Spinoza, Ferraro, and East West families welcome you to this morning's ceremony. I'm Joe Spinoza, the Vice President of Business Development at East West Industries. Today, the East West family and our distinguished guests gather to celebrate the opening of East West's new state-of-the-art engineering and manufacturing facility. This facility will continue East West's 49-year history of doing business on Long Island, providing solid production and engineering jobs, and most importantly, continuing our dedication to our guiding tenet, which is saving aircrew lives is our first concern.
Wow, what a great day, huh? There's someone shining down on us, and I think most of us can shake our head and say, yes, he is. So, thanks, Dad. But good morning, distinguished guests, customers, associates, suppliers, friends, and family. We are so happy that all of you could be part of this very important celebration that has been nearly 50 years in the making. Thank you for coming, and thank you for making this day possible. I want to talk briefly about three key elements that are worthy of discussion and celebration: our commitment to the community, the extended family that we work with, and most of all, the aircrew lives that we protect. Part of what is special today is that it's happening here on Long Island. East West was founded on Long Island in Wantagh, New York. It's where we live, it's where we work, it's where we play, and it's where we want to stay and grow. Our new facility was based on growth of new business, existing business, and an expanding workforce. It's also special that we started a family business and have remained a family business. East West was founded by our parents, Mary and Dom Spinoza, in Wantagh, New York. We grew up working in the business, and today we have a wonderful extended family. Many of you have been with us for over a decade. East West possesses a unique personal culture that distinguishes us within the industry. But last but not least, I want to mention the reason why East West exists is to design, manufacture, and support products that have the ability to protect and save aircrew lives. Yes, we have a beautiful facility here, 50,000 square feet with the newest technology and equipment, and I invite all of you to join us for a tour after this celebration. And yes, we are designing and building products for some of the newest and most advanced aircraft in history. But no matter how much things change, we always remember where we came from, who we work for, and why it matters. With that, I invite my brother, Joe, to introduce some of our distinguished guest speakers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This truly is an exciting day. I can feel how you feel. I, once upon a time, was a business owner, started in my house, and we expanded and had a ribbon cutting at a building, and it was so exciting, nowhere near what we're witnessing here today. But I was talking to Mary earlier and saying that having started a business gives you a sense of what it's really all about. You know, those of us in government would be served well if we all had to work in the private sector first. But knowing what it is to have to address the bottom line each and every day, and knowing that what you do has the effect on so many lives, and we're seeing them here today, your employee, your extended family. And just speaking to them one-on-one and listening to Teresa speak, you really, really get that sense that East West Industries is family. And that is what's going to serve them well many, many years into the future. And I, for one, look forward to celebrating your 50th anniversary as a business next year. But I want to say that we in the town of Islip truly are committed to being partners with our business community, because you are our future. You are what is going to enable us to move our town forward, and that you serve an industry that we are in the shadows of down the road in this direction, Long Island MacArthur Airport, that we as a town own this incredible treasure, this asset, and I am so proud that you are very much a part of that. And being a part of a family, being a part of a team, I'm joined here this morning with Councilwoman Mary Kate Mullen and Councilman John Cochran, who, Joe, that you made reference earlier to our armed forces. John is a proud 30-year Navy veteran. So I'd ask my partners to come forward and join me as we present this commemoration of today's event.
Good morning, folks. The Senator is traveling down from Albany as session went late. Yesterday was the last day of the Senate session, and he's on his way back, and we're putting him right to work down here in the district. He had all intentions of being here today because we came to know this wonderful family about a year ago when we were invited over to see their other shop. And there's a lot of discussion about family here today, and it was very evident when we walked through that facility, and even when we first sat and met with this group in the conference room, and they told us what they were all about and some of the awards they had gotten. And I tend to like, in these tours, just to kind of lag behind and talk to some of the support staff, because that's when you really start to get to know stuff, because they got their dog and pony show. They know what they're doing. And I'd not talked to one person that didn't love working for this company, didn't fully support what they were doing, and it was really touching. So our office became immediate friends with this group, because the Senator is always fighting to keep business here on Long Island. He's always fighting for business to be able to grow and to do what's best for our community, and these people totally exemplify that. So I'd like to say congratulations on the Senator's behalf. As I said, he really did want to be here, being a military person, so he really understood what he was seeing in the factory. But I'd like to say thank you so much, congratulations, and keep up the great work, and I hope to continue crossing paths, because that's happened quite a few times this year already. So congratulations.
Well, good morning, everybody, and thank you. What a wonderful day to be here, to go ahead and celebrate this magnificent building and the success of a local homegrown entity, East West Enterprises. Second generation, it is so compelling to hear you speak. And I got the opportunity to talk with Teresa and find out how the company actually started. Kind of like in a kitchen table. It's the epitome, if you will, of local success, local commitment, a local drive to go ahead and succeed here in Suffolk County that we see reflected in this wonderful workforce. Certainly Supervisor Carpenter and I know firsthand what it takes to go ahead and make a business work here, but what we can do to go ahead and help promote. You are competitive now on a national and an international level. How outstanding that you are furnishing critical life-saving equipment to our military. I can think of nothing more prideful, if you will, than to have a company like this that we can help and support and really be advocates for. We got the opportunity to do the radio show just recently and heard about the great success that you have in collaboration with the training grant with the Labor Department. So many of our young people want to be able to be a part of this. They want to come in, they want to get the training, and they want to take it to even the next level where we will continue to have East-West support our military and other technological functions throughout the world. I can't be happier to be a part of this today, and on the past part of the 1.5 million people of Suffolk County to say congratulations, job well done, and we look forward to being here for you for the next 50 years. Thank you.
Well, good morning, invited guests and East-West team. This ribbon cutting day is a great day for East-West and for me. My husband and I started East-West 49 years ago. Dom had a dream that he wanted to save aircrew lives. And that has become the East-West motto, which is, saving aircrew lives is our first concern. It all started on our dining room table, Dom sketching and whatnot, and then we finally rented a small space in Belmore, and as the company grew, on to Syosset, on to Farmingdale, on to Hauppauge, and finally, Ronkonkoma. But as you can see, Long Island has been the only home for East-West, and we plan to keep it here. Dom and I are very family-oriented and always considered our employees as our extended family. While Dom has passed on, we know he is enjoying watching how East-West has grown and is growing. We are thankful to have two wonderful children, Teresa, Joseph, that have brought East-West to this next stage. And I hope and pray it keeps growing. We look forward to celebrating our 50th anniversary next year. Thank you, and I now ask the distinguished guests to assist in the official ribbon cutting. Thank you.
Ready? One, two, three.
Thank you.